show me the program of this pyramid printing. Pinky will show. Yes. क्या हो गया? दही जम गया मुंह में सबके? Nobody is able to give me answer.
सर अल्फाबेट का करना है कि कौन सा करना है?
स्टार प्रिंटिंग करना है, स्टार का वो बनाना है पिरामिड।
सर तो फुल पिरामिड या हाफ पिरामिड?
आप पहले तो बताओ तो क्या करना है, जो आप बताओगे वो करेंगे।
सर फुल ठीक है।
Who will show me this program? Don't write in paper, just show me your browser. Sai Mani Kumar, yes, tell me. Anybody is there alive, or all are suffering from corona?
Sir, may I show you the program?
Yes. Let me make you presenter, okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, 1 minute.
Are you able to share your screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just paste it in. Okay. Program is, compiler is there. Now, this is the program. Okay. This is program shown by Anil. And this will print lower diamond or upper diamond, both. What it will print?
Sir, lower one.
Lower one. So how it will work? This is our code, and how I am not asking from Anil, okay? In particular, those who are able to give me a reply, whether it is correct or not, much better. Otherwise, if you are here for listening to Ramayan, then there is no meaning. Okay? You must be involved in this coding. So let me show you the output of this program, how it will work. Okay? So
Yes.
Yeah. Let me share my screen. My PPT is there. Yes. So here you can see that how many for loops are there? How many for loops are there? This is number 1. And this is inside for loop. Okay. Inside for loop means actually there are two different kind of for loop. Two levels of for loop. Okay. Now, what are the level? For this I, this space is there, this J is there, and this J is also there. So first level is I and second level is J or space. So how do it will start printing? For I equals to rows. So it will ask how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me do it for 5 rows. Okay. So keep in mind I equals to 5. So this loop runs.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Yes.
Screen is not visible, sir.
My screen is not visible, but it is visible to some, you know.
Sir, visible.
Visible now?
Visible, sir.
Yes, sir, visible.
Sir,
Okay.
now it is not visible.
Now again it is visible. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So user has given the value 5. Okay. So let me show you execution sequence. I equals to rows. I equals to rows means the value of rows is equals to 5. Fine. So I started from I is equals to 5 and I is greater than or equals to 1 and I minus minus. Why minus minus? Because we are using negative loop. Negative loop always consists of big number and runs up to small number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So this will run from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what will be with the first iteration? For because this curly brace is started from here, so let me write I equals to 1. What will happen for this I equals to 5, not 1? For I equals to 1, space equals to 0. Space is initialized to 0. Space is less than rows. So what is the value of row? Initially it is 5. Okay, initially it is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, rows equals to 5 initially and plus plus space. So it will run up to that place. So let us start space first. This is single space or multiple space? Anil, how many spaces are there?
Sir, single.
Single, sure. Just take it in your notebook and write something here and backspace, press backspace. And this must be right in your notepad.
2 spaces.
Single space or two
Double.
spaces?
Double space.
Double space. Okay. So let me make one array first. If you want to execute, so how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 rows are there. Okay. Then come to columns. And don't distract yourself. I know everybody is full stomach. Okay. So that this is the time where your sleeping is in active mode. Okay. But try to understand this program, how this will start executing. So initially for I equals to 1, how many spaces it will print? So 2. Okay. And this is rows minus 1. Rows minus 1 is 5 minus 1 is no. It is rows minus I. First one is rows minus I. Rows minus I. So spaces are up to, because the value of rows is 5 and value of I is also 5. So 5 minus 5 is how much?
0.
0. So from 0 to 0, plus plus space is given. So how many times it will print? One time, two time?
One time.
One time it will print. Okay. Slash n is where is slash n is written here. Okay. So for space equals to 0, 0 to space is less than rows minus I. So initially rows is 5, 5 minus I is 5 minus 5 is 0 and plus plus space. Okay. So now it will not print anything. For next loop, j equals to I. What is the value of I? I is 5. J is less than or equals to 2 multiplied by I. What is the value of I?
5.
I is 5. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10.
10.
10 minus 1 is
9.
9 and plus plus j. Okay. So 9 times it will printing this. So let us start printing this. Space, star, space, star, space, star, space, star, space, star, space, star, space. How many times? 9 times, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir. Correct.
J equals to I. So initially I is 5. J is less than or equals to 2 multiplied by 5, 10, 10 minus 1 is
9.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now in the next line what it is written, j equals to 0, j is less than I minus 1. So what is the value of I? 5. Still i's value is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So from 0 to 3 it will again print a star. 0 to 3 it will print again a star. So 3 times it will printing star. 1, 2 and 3. And then it will printing slash n. There is some problem I think with this. Now come to 4. I equals to 4 because of this minus minus I. So it is 4. 4 now.
सर
Next
ये
loop
3
is
स्टार्स कहाँ से आए लास्ट
yes.
जो लास्ट में 3 स्टार्स आपने लगाए हैं ये कहाँ से आए?
ये वाले लूप से. ये तो फॉर के अंदर ही है ना. ये एक बार एग्जीक्यूट होगा, ये दूसरी बार एग्जीक्यूट होगा, ये तीसरी बार एग्जीक्यूट होगा. तो जो ये तीसरी बार एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है, दिस इज j इक्वल्स टू 0, j is less than 5 minus 1. Okay, so this is 4 and j equals to 3. If we equalization, if we are using 3 up to 3, okay, j is up to 3, fine, and then j plus 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 j is written. So the 3 star will coming due to this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now come to next loop. I equals to 5. Now I equals to 4. For I equals to 4, how many spaces are there? 0 to 4 rows are, how many rows are there? Still 5 rows are there. No change in row. 5 minus I, that is 4. Okay, 5 minus I, that is 4. So this loop will run up to space equals to 0 space minus Something is wrong.
Sir, 5 minus 4 it is.
It is 5 minus 4. So now it is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. So less than 1 means once this loop will start executing and 2 spaces will be. And here from j equals to I. What is the value of I? 4. 4 to 7. 4 to 7. Yes or no?
हाँ 7 सर.
तो पिछले बार हमने यहाँ पर गड़बड़ी की है. 5 to 10 करना था, हमने क्या किया है? मिस्टेक हुई है यहाँ बहुत बड़ी.
सर अप
Okay.
टू 9 करना था हमें.
Up to 9
9.
करना था. 5 to 9 means 4 number of star will come. Yes or no? If it starts with 4, then how many star will be printed? So let us calculate before all these things. Let me write the loops also so that it is very clear to all of you how many loops it will executed for each of the values. Pen. And then first loop is for I equals to rows. I is greater than or equals to 1 and minus minus I. This is our first loop. Then insider loops are for space equals to 0. Space is less than rows minus I and plus plus space. Next loop is for j equals to I. J is less than or equals to 2 multiplied by I minus 1 and plus plus j. And next loop is for j equals to 0. J is less than 1 minus 1 minus
Sir, I minus 1.
I minus 1, correct. J equals to I minus 1. And then plus plus j. Okay, so let us start this loop. ये कहां से कहां तक रन होगा? What is the value of I?
5.
5. Then I is ये जो है कंडीशन चलते रहेगी और कहां तक चलेगी? जब तक कि I की वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल्स टू 1 ना हो जाए. माइनस माइनस I, तो फर्स्ट डिक्रीमेंट देन वैल्यू. सो वो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. तो ये यहाँ पर 4 आएगा. सो ये 5 to 1 चलेगा. यस और नो?
Yes sir.
5 to 1 फॉर लूप चलेगा. अब ये फिफ्थ नंबर के फॉर लूप के लिए स्पेस इक्वल्स टू फिफ्थ नंबर के लिए स्पेस इक्वल्स टू स्पेस इक्वल्स टू 0. तो ये 0 से लेकर कहां तक चलेगा? नंबर ऑफ रोज आर ऑलवेज कांस्टेंट. दिस इज 5. 5 माइनस 0 to 5 माइनस
4. 1.
4.
यानी
5
0
minus
to 1 चलेगा सर.
I इक्वल्स टू रोज लिखा है तो 5 to 1 चल रहा है. तो 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. So this is 0 to 0. मतलब नो एग्जीक्यूशन. ये कहां से कहां तक चल रहा है? j इक्वल्स टू 5 to 5 multiplied by 1 minus 1. 2.
5 to 9 चलेगा सर.
2 multiplied by I है ना ये? Yes.
हाँ.
2 multiplied by 5 minus 1. This is 9. ओके, तो ये कितने बार चलेगा? 4 टाइम्स चलेगा फर्स्ट में. इसके बाद ये लिखा है j इक्वल्स टू 0 से लेकर j इज लेस देन I minus 1. सो दिस इज I is what is the value of I?
5.
5 minus 1 is 4.
Four.
और यदि लेस को हम इक्वल में कन्वर्ट करते तो ये 0 से 3 तक चलेगा. ठीक है? यस और नो?
सर
लेस देन को इक्वालिटी में कन्वर्ट किया है मैंने. मतलब अप टू कहां तक चलेगा ये लूप? यदि I इज लेस देन 5 लिखा तो कहां तक चलेगा? 4 तक चलेगा. यस और नो?
यस सर.
तो वही चीज यहाँ मैंने 0 to 3 लिखी है. अब आप देखो, सबसे पहले ये आउटर फॉर लूप के लिए तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. इनर फॉर लूप में कितने स्पेसेस आएंगे? नो स्पेसेस. फिर ये वाले फॉर लूप के कितने बार हम पैटर्न प्रिंट करने वाले हैं? सेकेंड फॉर लूप के इनर 1, इनर 2 एंड इनर 3. तो सेकेंड फॉर लूप के कितने हम स्पेस प्रिंट करने वाले हैं? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes or no? So this is for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Then again this loop will be printed. This will be printed. तो ये कहां से कहां तक? 0 से 3 तक. So 0, 1, 2 and 3. After that this is for 5. Now come to 4. ये 4 आने के बाद यहां पर क्या वैल्यू आने वाली है? What value will be coming here? Space equals to 0 to
1.
0 to 1. Okay. And this will be
Sir 4 up to 4.
from 4 to 4. J equals to I. So J equals to 4. 4 to how much?
4 to 9. 7. 4 to 7.
7. 4 to 7. Yes. Okay. And this will be 0 to
2.
0 to 2. Okay. So now 1, 2 space will be printed here. And after that 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1 and 2. Okay. Now come to next line.
सर स्टार्टिंग में 2 स्पेसेस कैसे आए?
ये स्टार्टिंग में 2 स्पेसेस इसकी वजह से
ओके
आए.
ओके ओके अंडरस्टैंड सर. ओके.
Okay. Now come to 3. 0 to 2. This will be 3 to 5. And this will be 0 to 1, I think.
Yes sir.
Okay. So for this 0 to 2 means there will be 2 spaces. There will be 2 spaces. Okay. 2 consecutive spaces. After that it will start printing star. How many stars it will print? From 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then how many
0.
more stars? 0 and
1.
1. After that in next it will be 2, and this is 0 to 3.
3.
Okay. And this is
2 to
4
3.
to yes, 2 to 3. 2 to 3, correct. And this is 0 to 0.
Yeah sir. 0 to 0.
Okay. Now how many spaces will be printed? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4. And then 2 to 3. 2 and 3. And after that nothing will be printed, and then it will move to next loop. So next is 1, and it is 0 to 4, and this is last one is 1 to 2 or 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Last one is 1 to 1, and the subsequent will not work. So it will start 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 also, then it will print 1 star and nothing will be printed. So like this half pyramid will be printed. Yes or no? Any doubt?
सर जो I is equal to 2 है उसमें हमने इतना स्पेस क्यों दिया है यहाँ पर?
I equals to 2 यहाँ पर इस जगह पे 4 के लिए ये वैल्यू, 3 के लिए ये है, 2 के लिए ये है. सो I equals to 2 वाले में 0, 1, 2 and 3. That's why. ये 4 times स्पेसेस एग्जीक्यूट होंगे ना.
ओके सर.
Yes or no? So likewise, you can create your own style of pyramid. Let me write this program whether it is working correctly or not. Anil, you have pasted this program in somewhere else?
No sir, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. So let me write by my own because I am having the code. Okay. So yes. IJ. If you have this screen open, then please paste it because it will save a lot of time. वैदिक सुवांकर ने भी प्रिंट किया है, लेकिन हमने किसी और का प्रोग्राम. यस, एनीवन हैज पेस्टेड समथिंग? Anil, Rohit has pasted some, but I want the same program, okay? Because I had explained that program. So Rohit, you have Rohit, not Anil, you have pasted, or I need to search it by my own?
Sir, I have pasted the same.
Where?
The group only, above Rohit's.
Above Rohit. Prashant Kumar.
Prashant Yadav, sir.
The same program you have pasted?
Yes, sir.
It is not the same program. For and for, no. Here three for loops are there. Then how can I show this? Yes, some more buzzing is there. Vikas Goyal. So let me search it by my own. I think Anil is not able to paste. Anil, paste it.
Sir, not able to paste it.
In WhatsApp also?
I am trying. मैं try कर.
or just okay, in your MSc group, just paste it. Riddhi had space k equals to 0. This is different program. Actually, I want the same program. Otherwise, there is no meaning of explanation of this program. Yes. Prashant, now Prashant has pasted the same thing. Let me show you the output. So tomorrow I will ask the logic behind factorial function. Okay. In the same way. So you just prepare one sheet for factorial function, either negative or positive. So this program will run like initially it start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stars. Okay. In our PPT also, how many stars are there in first line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So let me show you here whether it is also using the same number of stars or not. So 3 and 3, 6 plus 1, 7. And in next line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in next line, ours also having 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And in next line we have 2. Here 3. So what is misplaced by us? Something is misplaced by us in looping, because we are doing very whatever the program has done, we have done likewise. So in between there is some mistake. Okay, so one more star will be there and this star will be shifted to here. So that's why our answer is a little bit incorrect, because of a less exercise or less whatever we want to show you. So here also, instead of writing space, okay, instead of writing space, we just put the number. We just put the number %d and %d. Okay, and what is that number? You are using space. This is written in terms of space. Okay, so just put a space here and put all the stars. Okay, like here, instead of writing star, just put %d and put the value of j. So you will be able to see what is the answer. And again, print the value of j, %d and j. Okay, j. Is this compilation code is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see the logic behind it. All the places where number are coming and all the places where star is coming means when number is coming, it means it is space.
सर %d से पहले जो स्टार है उसको भी हम हटाएंगे.
उसको भी let us see. Number of rows 5. Oh my god. कहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम है बोल रहे हो आप?
In the last third row.
यहाँ
Print.
last here.
Sir, in printf, star is not there.
In printf, star is not there. In last line.
No, sir, it's correct. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So now if we run this program, so I had written 5. Now you can see that what kind of output is coming. What kind of output is coming. So actually, 2 spaces, all the spaces will not be printed here. Okay, yes, correct. 2 times I need to write a space. That is the problem. %d, and now it will give you correct answer, and you will be able to understand why this answer is coming. Yes. Now you can see that our star will start from here. 5, the 5th loop, and हमको ये loop कहां से कहां तक चलाना था फर्स्ट कंडीशन में. जो स्टार प्रिंटिंग का लूप है वो कहां से कहां तक चलाना था 5 to 9. तो आप यहां पर देख रहे हैं 5 to 9 आ रहा है नंबर. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
एंड उसके बाद जो पहला लूप चलना था 0 से 3 का, तो 0 1 2 3 भी दिखाई दे रहा है. यस और नो?
Yes,
0
sir.
1 2 3. Now you just focus on star also, and you can see the likewise we have executed the same thing. In second row, this space will execute it twice. So this space will execute it twice. 0 0 is written here. Yes or no? And after that, because 0 to 0 one time it will print. We have seen here 0 to 0 means it will print one time. So we have used one time here also. Now the loop next 4 5 6 7. Okay, then 0 1 2, and after that 0 0 1 1 means 0 0 1 1, and then it will start 3 4 5 0 1. So this is 3 4 5 0 1, and in next loop here we have done one mistake.
We
0
have
1 2 is yes.
Yes, sir. Sir,
0 1 2
0.
is okay. Yes. Speak.
Sir, we don't print the 0.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Correct. So 0 1 2 is okay, but we have used 3 also, and this is 3 is not there. Only 0 1 2 is there. Okay, and then how many stars are there? Star 2, star 2, star 3, and star 0. Star 0 is from here 0 to 0. Okay, and after that 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3, and followed by star 1 star 1. Okay, so this is the way of execution of loop. Now you can print full diamond also, but my question is, and why I had shown using this complicated example, because you need to know how we run the for loop. So many for loops are there, but I had executed this for loop for all for loop. If I am executing this for loop once, we are also executing these for loop so many times. Okay, so many times. This 10 times, 9 times, 8 times likewise. So this is the way you can run. What is the meaning of this block? You know very well now. So tomorrow your homework is factorial function, and this is complicated program. I am not expecting from you that you will be able to explain immediately, but you are able to explain immediately. You just need to write whatever program you have pasted here. Okay, whatever, like while, through while it is pasted, and through for loop. So just try to, this procedure is known as dry run. Okay, this procedure is known as dry run. So just try to dry run it and try to write it in your plain paper for yourself, not for me. If you are presenting to me, it is very good for me. Otherwise, there is no problem. Okay. So this is not assignment. If you are able to print it, if you are able to solve it for yourself, then it is very good for you. Okay. So I think today it is sufficient, and let me close this class. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. No doubt. I think a lot of doubt is there. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay. So I had downloaded the Pinky, Vikas, Anil. You also need to go sharply and try to solve it by yourself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So you must be very clear because a very small space is there. So you must write in a big paper and just try to run it for 5 iteration is sufficient. Okay. I will show you some other program for the same thing. Okay. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. And please be prompt here. कुछ ना कुछ बोलते रहें. 1 बजे मुझे मालूम है कि आप लोगों को बोलने में बहुत तकलीफ होती है ना? और कल शायद क्लास है आप लोगों की. पता लग जाएगा. ठीक है. तो थैंक यू.
बजे सर.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.